Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the Apple ID has not yet been used with the iTunes Store. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to install any app from your App Store, you might see the error that your Apple ID has not yet been used with the iTunes Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just simply go back and open your settings and just make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go to General, go to Software Update, and try to update your software. You can also try to check your VPN connection if you're connected to any kind of VPN. Just try to disconnect with that. Then open your Apple Store app or your App Store here. The very first, just tap on the profile option at the top right. Then tap on your Apple ID. And here you have to try to change your country or region for your Apple ID. So just enter your Apple ID password here, then tap on sign in option, and here just wait for the loading and you will get your account setting page. Now you just have to tap on the country or region option from here and just select your own country or region from here in which you're living. So for example, I'm going to select this one from here, then tap on continue option, then tap on agree at the top right. Now on this page you have to add your payment method. If you want to add your payment methods, you can add it here. If you don't have any payment method, just tap on this none option, then enter your billing address correctly. You just have to enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, you can search from Google. Enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on one option at the top right, and your country or region will be successfully updated to your Apple ID, and your billing address will be also updated. So if there will be an issue with your Apple ID or with your billing address, it will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. Or after doing this, if you're still facing the same issue, so this is the only way, just try to contact with Apple Support team. Now to do this, simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use Apple Store web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select App Store, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.